Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you need to make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated all things crypto. Today we are diving into the best no KYC crypto exchange in Canada, which in my opinion is Bitunix.com. So after thorough research and trying out several platforms, I have found out that Bitunix.com is the best no KYC crypto exchange for Canadians. And why I'm saying this, let's just find out in this video. So first thing first, Bitunix has been there in the game since 2021, and that might not seem like a long time, but in the volatile world of crypto it is a solid track record. They survived the brutal bear market of 2022 and 2023, a period that saw many exchanges including the notable FTX shut down. This survival adds a significant layer of credibility and reliability to their operations. Now let's just talk about the trust and the rankings. So according to CoinGecko.com, Bitunix score a solid 7 out of 10 in terms of trust. They are ranked 55th overall, which places them above many other non-KYC exchanges. When it comes to future trading, they have impressively ranked 15th. The high ranking shows their dedication to providing a robust and user-friendly trading platform. Now, one of the standout features of Bitunix is that their competitive fee structure. So this is the fee structure table that they have provided on their sports page. So for spot trading, the fees are 0.08% for makers and 0.1% for takers. In the future market, the fees drop to 0.02% for makers and 0.06% for takers. These rates are among the lowest in the industry, making Bitunix an attractive option for cost-conscious traders. Bitunix also offers a wide array of trading options for spot trading. They support 207 coins and 23 trading pairs, allowing traders to diversify their portfolio easily. For future market, it is even more extensive with 248 trading pairs. Whether you are into spot trading or futures, Bitunix has got you covered. When it comes to withdrawals, Bitunix keeps the fees reasonable. They mainly support ERC20 tokens, and the minimum withdrawal fees you will encounter is $5. While there are cheaper ways to cash out, their fees remains competitive as compared to other exchanges. Another critical aspect of any trading platform is the spread and liquidity. So Bitunix offer very tight spread and decent liquidity, ensuring you get the best prices possible when you buying or selling your coins. This is particularly important during the periods of high market volatility. Now, no exchange is perfect. The one downside I have found with Bitunix is that their spot market lacks advanced trade orders. They only offer limit and market orders, which might be a limitation for some traders. However, this isn't an issue in the futures market, where they provide all the advanced trading features you would expect from a top-tier exchange. Now, to wrap things up, Bitunix is a no KYC crypto exchange that stands out for its wide variety of coins, low trading fees, tight spreads, and solid liquidity. They have built a credible and reliable platform that's hard to beat among the no KYC exchanges. So if you want to create your account on bitunix.com, then I will put my link down in the description, so you can use that link in order to save extra 20% on your trading fees on this platform. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more Bitunix related tutorial videos in the future, so stay tuned for those. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy trading.